Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab leg sauce. First, gather your essential ingredients such as unsalted butter, fresh garlic, and a bright lemon. Next, consider what spices you want to use to create your unique flavor profile. Finally, ensure your crab legs are properly cooked and ready to absorb all that delicious sauce. This preparation ensures a truly flavorful experience. To create a classic butter garlic sauce, begin by melting 1/2 cup of unsalted butter in a small saucepan over low heat. Once melted, add 3 cloves of finely minced garlic and sauté gently until it becomes fragrant, about 1 minute. Be careful not to burn it. Then, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Now let's explore some delicious variations to elevate your sauce. For a classic seafood kick, incorporate 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. If you enjoy a little warmth, add a pinch of red pepper flakes to your mixture. Finally, for a fresh and vibrant finish, stir in some freshly chopped parsley just before serving. These additions truly enhance the experience. Once your crab legs are perfectly cooked, generously pour the warm, flavorful sauce over them, ensuring every piece is coated. Garnish with extra lemon wedges and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or chives for an appealing presentation. This simple step makes a big difference. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.